Jared, tell us a bit about your engine while you're filling it up.
Okay, it's a homemade 150cc V12 petrol engine, single overhead cam each bank. It's loosely patterned on the original German Tiger Tank V12 Maybach. 2 radiators, two distributors, 7 cooling fans, and it drives an 8-speed homemade gearbox.
And it never breaks down?
No, it never breaks down, Gary. Never breaks. It's just like the original Tiger Tank never broke down every half an hour. So I don't know what's wrong with it now, but I'm going to try to start it in a minute. Run. At 100% fit, Gary.
No. Maybe.
Definitely having a rest this afternoon. I don't know what's going on, Gary.
Thanks, mate.